Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about how much would you have made if you invested 1,000 in Amazon and another 1,000 in Netflix 20 years ago. So, 20 years ago, on 1997, it's about 23 years for Amazon. It was only about $1 plus. So, if you bought it, you will get about 666 shares. So in 2020, today the price at 2,400, 2,400. How much do you think you will have made? I calculated last night. You will have made $1.6 million. $1.6 million. That's a lot of money. If you invested in Netflix in 2002, 1,000, and you will have made today $380,000. So if you combine those two, you will have made $2 million. You can retire. So if you were 20 years old at the time and you invested 2,000, you will have retired by the age of 40s. So in investing, it's really important you invest early. The sooner you invest, the better off it is. There was a study done by the Yale University about 4 different types of investor. One who keep the cash, another one who invests at the high point of the market. He invests all the time at the high point. Number 2, the other one, he invested at the low point all the time. Then number 4, the fourth one, he invests every month regularly. Dollar cost averaging. It doesn't matter down or up, he invests regularly. So they realized that let's say the guy who bought at the lowest point made 100,000, he invested 10,000, made 100,000. Then the guy who bought at the highest point, he made about 50,000, and the guy averaged about 70,000-80,000. Just gave you an example. But so the guy who invested, who never invests, who keeps all the cash, he just had 10,000 plus. Because interest rate is almost zero. Maybe 10,000 or 11,000 maybe. So you see, that's a power of investing. So the sooner you invest, the better you get it. The higher chance that you're gonna be able to retire sooner. So think about it. So today our topic is about how to invest in love. So another thing is that just like investment, the money, love is important. You need to invest in love earlier. How do you do that? The way to do it is, if you are single, you have to be yourself. You have to invest in education. You have to make investment. And a lot of the time, people look for the other partner, boyfriend, girlfriends, because they are not happy. And they think that the other person gonna make them happy. That's the wrong way to think. That's not the right way to think. You only look for the other person, boyfriend, girlfriend, because your life is so good. Your life is so good, you want to share it with the other person. That is not selfish reason. If you are looking for somebody just to make you happy, you are very selfish. So you want to look for somebody because you have so much to offer. Of course, you need to look for the best person. Don't look for selfish people who only take and who never give. But that's the right mindset to look for somebody. So if you are not happy when you are single, why do you think you're gonna be happy when you are in a relationship or when you're married? You need to learn how to invest in yourself and pick up a hobby. It can be bodybuilding, sports, traveling, investments, studying, anything, any hobbies that's gonna improve your life. If you don't know what to improve your life right now, improve your money, improve your finances. That's the number one thing. Why? The number one reason for divorce is not because infidelity. It's because of the money, finance. Most people got divorced because of money, finance, because they got into fight. They don't know how to pay for the rent, how to pay for the utilities, how to pay for life necessity. So if you have to argue all the time about these small things, you're not gonna be happy, and you don't have time to talk about love. How to, hey, where can we travel? How can I appreciate the other person? The other partner, boyfriend, girlfriend. You don't have time to talk about it. How to appreciate your husband or wife. So get your money right. If you have money, if you don't have to worry about money coming in every month, you can focus on 1%. Money can solve 99% of the problems. You only want money because you want to focus on 1%. That 1% is your family, your love. So it's really important. So a lot of people say, oh, I'm happy. I don't need to make a lot of money. I'm happy with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, whatever the amount. But if you think about it, they are really selfish person. Yeah, they say that they are happy with 1,000, 2,000. But the thing is that if you have to live paycheck to paycheck, if you have to live paycheck to paycheck, and if you're gonna get into argument with your significant other, your boyfriend, girlfriend, your wife, your husband, you're gonna get into argument. If you get into arguments, then you're not gonna be happy. You're not gonna have a happy family. So get your money right. So if you invest in make investment, it can be stocks, it can be real estate. That gives you money. Stocks is the easiest way because you can invest $1 a day, just $1, just $1, and 365 days. If you get 10% return on that $1, your money is gonna become double after 7 years. Every 7 years, your money is gonna double. So if you invest 365 in 2020, your money is gonna be double in 2027. Then any money that you invest every year gonna be double. So that is a very powerful stuff. So yeah, if you don't know, if you really love your family, love your boyfriend, girlfriend, let's say you are single, and don't you think the person who really loves you, deserve the best of you? Yes, always try to become the best versions of yourself every single day. That's really important. So if you are 20 years old, 30 years old, 40, 50, 60, doesn't matter. So invest in yourself, become the best version of you, in terms of finance, health, happiness, freedom, whatever. Get your money right, and take care of your body. Get your money right, finance right, make investment. So I'm gonna give you, to get you started, I'm gonna give you free stock, 2 free stock. So click the link below. Actually, 3 free stock. There are 2 links. One, open an account. Open accounts at 2 tech company. You're gonna get 3 free stock, and make sure you deposit $100. Because if you deposit $100, you could potentially get up to 1,400 worth of stock. So yeah, click the link below, and also I want to give you the free audiobooks. And CEO reads about 60 books a year. Every person reads about only 1 book a year. That's a big difference. So that's why CEO makes a lot of money. CEO reads about 1 book every week. So I'm gonna give you free audiobook. Click the link up in the description or comment below. So click a bit, get the free audiobooks, 30-day trial. Then read the book. At least try 1 book a month. So get a book and get 2 free stock below. If you have any questions, comment below. So I will be sure to reply you. So make sure you like and subscribe this channel. Like and see first. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.